Trader, September 12th, 2018. It's after the market closed. It's a Wednesday. It's also my birthday. So I'm going to do a report on ticker symbol HEME in this tutorial. I'm also going to report on BioAmber, BIOAQ, Cells, CELZ, Creative Med Technologies, NNSR, nanosensors, also known as Green Zebra, and one more, DRUS. Okay, review my posts. It's pretty interesting. A lot of stocks did well today, and I'm gonna provide a trading tutorial update on them. Might happen after midnight, so it might be posted September 13th. Just because it is my birthday today, I'm creating this tutorial on HEME, maybe another one or two before I head out for dinner. So let's take it away. Let's talk about HealthMed. In my previous tutorial, I stated that it's in the trading range and the buyers took over. It's in the uptrend, broke this downtrend. Got a little penisy, okay? It still holds true that the uptrend is there and it's going to surge, but it's still in the trading range. I might have stated that a little too early, but I still think it's higher just because it broke through that trend, this uptrend, for a few days. What was it, like 3-4 days before it trailed back into this downtrend? So I believe she's going to head higher. You see this, this is the trading range right here. And one thing you got to consider, the last 2.5-3 days, the marijuana index started, just marijuana in general, the whole hemp, marijuana stocks, whatever it is, they started declining. It looked like they tried to bottom out today, and for HealthMed, it just traded in that range, right? Even though it ticked lower, it closed up. It ticked lower, it closed up. It ticked lower, it closed up. No matter where it was, it closed higher. It had a green bar for that day. Even though it gapped lower and headed and opened lower, it ended up green and stayed above this trading range. So you know, this could be a bottom in marijuana stocks in general, and we're just waiting for HealthMed to you know, break through this bar. It's done it for 3 days, and I already think she's bullish. She's in this trading range, but for 3 to 4 consecutive days, she was above it. You know, granted, one day she closed above it, the next day she closed below it, and then she closed above it again. She gapped down between the trading range, closed above it again, and then started closing under it. And even though she gapped above, gapped below, down below in this trading range, but it opened up above the support level and closed up both days. So it's in this tight trading range, and we see something over here where we saw this up move and then a drop, and I said, hey, we might see something as well, but we didn't get that initial pop like we did right here, and it's trading sideways. So if once we get this pop right here and it closes above this, she's headed higher. I assume it was going to happen Labor Day week. Now it's my birthday week. Maybe she'll happen here. It's in the tighter range. You know, X marks the spot. Remember that if she's trading above it, she'll surge. She's trading below it, she'll crack. But I believe she's heading above. You know, got to be a little patient. The MAC histogram is in the negative territory, but you see HEME trading above support. So that's a good understanding that is support level, and this is a trading range. And once again, she broke through for about 3-4 consecutive days. So that could be an indication that she's going higher, especially that she was at a higher level than this area. You see she's a little higher. Remember, we still didn't receive this initial pop. This initial pop should have HEME break through. So once again, keep your eyes on HealthMed. I'm expecting a pop sometime in the near future. You can follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. Visit my live trading education site at thetradingteacher.com.